Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel and welcome back to Bones Spot. We are heading to Lagos Idumota Market for my usual month-end grocery shopping, and I'm taking you guys to the market along with me. This is me just driving to the market with my Nigerian flag because in Nigeria here we are celebrating Nigeria's independence. Nigeria is 64 years and I'm just blessed to be a Nigerian. Yes, I know many people will be like, I'm tired of Nigeria, but I'm actually blessed to be a Nigerian because just being a Nigerian makes you somewhat a fearless person and you can literally survive anywhere. So I'm going into the entrance of the market, which is the UBA car park. I would stop and collect a ticket to be able to park into the market. It is few months away from Christmas and the market is becoming very rowdy. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back again to my channel and welcome to another market vlog. We are heading into Lagos Idumota Market right now. I'm heading into Lagos Idumota Market right now. It's going to be a lot of shopping that I intend to do today. I'm gonna be buying a lot of things. Honestly, I need it because I also have to bulk shop by next month, and by December I won't come to this market again, because if you come to this market in December it will be a lot rowdy. People will be dragging your bag. It was same time last year I came to the market, I think sometime in November, to buy a couple of things, and they literally ripped my bag open, but thankfully they could not take anything, my phone, nothing, and I had to trash that bag. If you've been following my market vlogs like judiciously, you would know all of these things. So this market is really very rowdy and we've entered like proper ember period. Even trying to find where to park, I'm literally parked at another spot inside the same UBA car park. I will have to pay them money and drop my keys, so that in case any other person is moving out, they will not have to call me or anything. The person will move out and I'm going to pay 1,000, and then when I leave outside to go and go to the main gate, I will still have to pay money to pass out of this UBA car park. So yeah, you guys, it is getting busy and rowdy and a lot of shopping. It's festive periods now and people are coming from different parts of Nigeria to come and do their shopping in this Balogun Idumota Market. You guys know how big this market is, and they sell a lot of things. There are different sections to buy anything that you want to buy. So yeah, but anyways guys, let's head into the market and I hope you guys will enjoy yet another market vlog. Let's go. So we're just walking into the market, you guys. I'm with my friend. I'm just walking into the market, so let's just start shopping. My Laboro woman isn't in the market yet, but she sent someone to come meet me at the car park. Then, where is your this thing now? Yeah. Okay. This is us just walking into the market and I came across my meat man. You guys, for the OGs on this channel will know that I have been buying meat from Wasiu for years. If you date back to all my market vlog, you will definitely see him in most of my market vlogs. Those of you asking about my guy, see my guy here. But you go wait, I won't go inside market, come back. Oh yeah, man. How you doing? Bless everybody one craze for that up and down where I buy for your hand. You guys, this is the guy I bought by, what do you call it? That gown from now. You know. Everybody wants craze for that gown where I buy for your hand. This one how much? How much You guys, I ended up buying it for myself, and I bought it 4,500 naira. Mama where they work go also enjoy as well. Now you guys, this boo have just been, in fact my sister even wants to steal the ones I got previously. Walking into the market, I saw these Crocs people that were selling Crocs, and I just got reminded that I needed to buy Crocs for the new person that has resumed a home to use to move around the house. And I got this one for 2,500 naira. Don't mind the small feet, she's a size 39. This is me just walking into the market, and yeah, you guys, feels like I've gotten hang of this market vlog because I'm not shy to pick up my phone and walk. But this is Lagos market, Lagos Island market, and this is how busy it is. This is the entrance of the market. I'm just heading into the entrance of the market, and boom, I saw a subscriber of mine, and I was so wowed. Thank you so much, my subscriber. This is the first time. No, this is the first time. I see you guys. Thank you so much. Don't church, baby. You running with celebrating, huh? And you don't even know you're running with celebrating. I say President General among the nation. Don't mind me, I was just teasing my friend. Walking into the market, we saw these fresh bunches of plantain, and we decided to stop and buy. Yes, I love that the fingers of these plantains were actually heavy, like it had proper food on them. And I ended up buying one bunch, and I bought the bunch that you could see where I was choosing which one. I bought it for 7,000 naira. I also bought this fish as well. I bought one of the plates for 1,500 naira, and I got 2 plates for myself. So now I'm just walking into the market, and I'm going to meet the lady where I buy Kaima's Nutribomb and Golden Moon from. I stopped to buy packs of toothbrush because my house is actually going to be very full pretty soon. Yeah, this is the lady where I buy Kaima's provisions from. I had mentioned in the previous vlog that I used to buy from someone else, but it was usually Rebag. See, she was so happy to see me. So I just stopped to buying from her. One thing about this, my lady, is that most of the items you see on the shelf are just for display. She would actually go in to bring the fresh ones, the new ones actually, and sell to you. And that's why I just like buying from her, even though she's a little slightly expensive, but I prefer to buy what has not been rebagged. I went on to buy biscuits and just a few other items. I also bought cleaning items as well. You guys know that Viva Girl forever. But yeah, I bought spray starch, I bought sponge, just a lot of things, that I'm actually going to show you guys at the end of the video. So sit back, and enjoy the market vlog. Shall you buy them? Yeah, Tinubu. You guys, this is just me shopping all the essentials that I need, buying, pricing, bargaining, just buying everything that I need. And voila, walking out of the market, I bumped into Dara Giselle. Guys, look at Dara. So good to see you. This is my first time actually seeing you. No, I saw you at that YouTube event in 2022. I blame you. If I give you 500 million, you know what? I'll collect it now. Why not? You guys, I'm here with my meat man. I know that it's always back and forth. Oh yeah, pack everything. Cut them 30K. See me, what is it? 5,000. Not lie. What everything 35? You get it the way that they swear to your God. You get it the way that they swear give your God. But you get it the way that they swear give your God. What's your beg cost for me? I don't even get 10,000. Say what you have. How much be good? Buy 35,000 last time. You big pass this one. That one you still call it collect yam from my hand. Not lie. Of course, you know that Wasiu must definitely stress my life. I'm not 70,000. Every time you like to just to the stress setting. Carry on the go, no wala. You show me meat where you pack it for my friends. Now who bring my friend for meat? Now who bring my friend for meat? All the customers why they bring for you. I don't tell you, I just. What's I don't tell you. Now if you don't want to say, leave him. If you don't want to say, leave him for me. So start to the stress person. Come, I'm here. Hey, you guys, see my love. My love, I beg tomorrow I go call you. Let me collect the fabric for my. For the way I buy for. If I just come me, they go just say customer, take. Now then you go give me 2 hours.
I don't give you.
But you still want yam on top of it.
I don't want to.
No, that's we want to. That's true. I don't owe you anything here. They wait to happen. They wait for which yam? Who they buy you yam?
Really, why yam?
It's a yam because I give her that big yam.
Wait, before I go, I don't tell my sister.
Nah, sir.
Weekend, don't say. Weekend, you don't say.
I go carry one.
Can I wait for that? Can I wait for that?
No.
Eh? What are they there?
Yes.
But see, you there for a year. See, I'm for a year. Carry one, 2 back. Don't carry the big one, no.
Mr. Wasiu, you see this yam where you don't collect. If you not me buy better meat tomorrow, now me and you for the same chance.
You guys, I'm back home and let's get into quick unboxing so that I can fill you guys in on how much I bought each item at the market today. I got Nutribomb for 2,100 naira. I think it's still the same price from the last time, and I got about 4. I got this pack of sanitary pad for 4,000 naira. Fab biscuit is now 11,000 naira, and I bought 2 cartons of Fab biscuits. This peak milk is 1,700 naira. Ribena is 3,000 naira. Fresh You is 3,300 naira for a carton. A carton of Indomie still remains 9,000 naira. Oats was going for 2,500 naira in the market. I bought this roll of matches for 4,000 naira. I bought a carton and half of Dano milk. A carton was 47,000 naira. Golden Moon 2,500 naira, and I bought about 2. Custard was 5,500, but inside the market it was 4,500. I bought this yogurt for 3,500 naira. I got this kitchen roll for 800 naira each, and I bought about 4 of it. I got this sachet of Milo for 1,200, and I bought about 4 rolls of this Milo. I bought Dano milk. A sachet roll was going for 1,200 each, and I bought about 4 rolls. I bought Peak sachet as well for 1,300, and I bought about 5 rolls. You guys, someone plugged me onto Twisco. I bought it for 1,200. Peanut butter 1,700. Jago mayonnaise 1,700 naira. And yeah, I told you guys that I bought 1.5 carton of Dano milk, and this is what I'm just arranging. I bought this foam for washing plate 1,000, sugar 1,900 naira. I bought wipes for 1,100 naira, and I bought about 4. I bought Morphix for 12,500. I bought Kiss pants for 7,500. I bought this carton of mineral for 10,000 naira. In total, I spent about 370,000 naira. I'm so sorry, I lost a lot of clips in this video where I showed you guys the meat, the plantain, and many other things I bought. I didn't know that we didn't even click record while I was talking. But I hope you guys enjoyed this market vlog today, and I will do better next time. Thank you guys for watching.